Good evening, everyone. My name is Abid Ali, and thank you for tuning in for the weekly update. The update in which we highlight the rankings, some of the key events and the key news, and some of the fun facts we want you guys to know. Here from my special events committee, I have Alvaro Genome, Jonathan Ross. Alvaro, please take on the floor and take on the proceedings from here on.
Thanks, Abid. We're going to start with the weekly reviews. What happened this week? As you all know, Hurricane Sandy, the market's closed for 2 days. Here's a picture of the trading floor. It's completely empty. Well, it was the first time in a lot of times since 1888, the market was closed for 2 days. Property damages may touch $20 billion and $30 billion from business losses. General Motors opened up on Wednesday. They ended up the week very, very, very solid. Their shares surged 9.6%. Now we're going to move to Apple. Again, Apple making huge news, but this time not so positive. As you guys can see, their shares took a nice dip, closed at 576 and 80 cents. Move on to the next slide, please. Right, now I'm going to pass it over to Jonathan, who's going to elaborate more on the state of the economy.
Thank you very much. Very important news. The most recent jobs report was just published this Friday morning. It's very important because we have the election on Tuesday, and this is the last jobs report that is going to be given out to the public before that. So, off to the earnings calendar, a few companies that are going to come out with their earnings next week. You got to keep an eye on these companies, okay? So pay attention. On Monday, we have Toyota and Humana, Time Warner's Cable. Those are three big companies. Keep an eye on those. Tuesday, we have Nissan, CVS, Caremark, and News Corp is a big one as well. So keep an eye on that. Tuesday, I want to stay on Tuesday for a second. Tuesday is a really big day because we have the stock market change. Those earnings are pretty big, and also the election. So we want to see how the election fluctuates on the stock market. So keep an eye on that. Wednesday, we have Macy's, Monster, Whole Foods, big companies as well. Up to Thursday, we got Wendy's, Disney, Nordstrom, big companies. And Friday, big name, JCPenney. Keep an eye on that. Off to the rankings. First place, congratulations to Alexander Svetnicki from the University of Arizona. He's sitting on a nice 150 points. Yep. Second place, a fellow student from FIU, Florida International University, Javier Diaz, with 140 points. Congratulations to you, sir. Third place and fourth place, both from Texas State University. At third, we have Raul Almanza, sitting on 130 points. And fourth place, we have John Luke Davis, sitting on 124 points. So congratulations to you guys. Now I'm going to hand it off to Abid, who's going to give you guys some closing remarks. Abid.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Alvaro, for a wonderful weekly update. For you guys, a quick announcement that I have. Remember, your portfolios are going to reset. Again, you guys have $250,000, new investment decisions. Whatever investments you have made, they're gone. It's a new week, new big name. This gives an opportunity for people who are in the lower rankings to come up and make a comeback. As you all know, the winner will be decided on number of points you gain. For example, this week, number one spot is 150. However, other people still have a shot at the winning prize of $1,000. Thank you for tuning in for the weekly update. We want to keep it as conversational as possible. Therefore, I would highly encourage you guys to submit your feedbacks on our Facebook page, put on comments, share some of the news articles, some of the new things that you look out for, so that we keep this communication going on and build a bigger alpha community. Thank you so much.